What's up, foodies? There's nothing quite like a mug of hot chocolate during the holidays. And my Parisian style hot chocolate is going to make your Christmas cozier. This recipe combines quality dark chocolate, creamy milk and cream to create a treat that's perfect for my favorite time of year. Yes, that would be Christmas, because it's Christmas and my birthday. Yeah, December is my favorite time of year. Not to mention, it also pairs well with my favorite Christmas movies, The Muppets Christmas Carol or Die Hard. Die Hard is a Christmas movie. So with that said, let's get into it. Now before you start, chop the dark chocolate into small pieces so it melts easier. Then measure out your ingredients and keep them nearby. This is called mise en place. Just a little tip, high quality chocolate of 70% cocoa will make all the difference in achieving a deep chocolatey flavor. Now in a medium saucepan, heat half a cup of heavy cream over medium heat. Make sure you stir it occasionally to prevent the bottom from scorching. Heat the cream until it's hot but not boiling. Watch for small bubbles forming around the edge of the pot. Now if you do accidentally overheat the cream, that's fine, remove it from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes before proceeding. Now a heavy bottom pot works best here to evenly distribute the heat on the bottom and avoid burning the cream. Now add 6 ounces of chopped dark chocolate to the cream, then stir constantly with a whisker or silicone spatula. The chocolate's going to slowly melt, transforming the mixture into a glossy, smooth base. Patience is key here. You don't want to rush this step. High heat can cause the chocolate to seize. If you want a little extra silky texture, you can use an immersion blender to fully emulsify the chocolate into the cream, but it's not really necessary. Now slowly pour in 1 to 1.5 cups of whole milk while stirring constantly. I personally add 1 cup of milk as I like my hot chocolate thick. And adding the milk gradually ensure it combines smoothly with the chocolate mixture. Now allow your chocolate mixture to heat gently over low for 2 to 3 minutes. And again, avoid letting your hot chocolate boil as it can alter the creamy texture. Now if you want to make it a bit more festive, sprinkle in a pinch of cinnamon, cardamom, or even nutmeg at this stage. These spices are going to add a warm depth that remind you of the holiday season. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract or paste like I'm using, and a small pinch of salt. The brown sugar enhances the chocolate with a caramel-like sweetness, while the vanilla and salt bring out the chocolate's natural richness. And if you want, you can adjust the sugar level to your preference. If you want it sweeter, add more. If you want it less sweet, add less. And if you want to add a grown-up twist for holiday parties, add a splash of an orange liqueur for a Terry's Chocolate Orange hot chocolate. Once your hot chocolate is smooth and creamy, pour it into your favorite holiday mug. Top with a generous dollop of vanilla whipped cream and a grating of dark or milk chocolate, or even crush a few candy canes on top for a peppermint flavor. My hot chocolate isn't just a drink, it's an experience. Perfect for Christmas Eve or Christmas morning. Or even better yet, when you're watching The Muppets Christmas Carol. Light the candle, not the rat. If you know, you know. Merry Christmas, foodies, and I hope you make this hot chocolate as a part of your festive traditions. Let me know in the comments below what you add to your hot chocolate. I'd love to know. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and until next time, foodie out. Well, that failed.